Welcome to our quick guide on how to access Catch-Up TV. With just a few clicks, you can easily watch your favorite shows you missed recently. First, grab your remote and press the guide button. This will open the list of available channels. Next, scroll through the guide to find the channel that aired the show you want to catch up on. Once you've found the channel, click the left arrow and a new menu will open. Once the menu opens, make sure Open Catch-Up TV is selected. Then press the OK button. This will open the Catch-Up TV guide. Now, use the left arrow to go back and find the specific show you want to watch from the Catch-Up TV guide. Finally, once you've found the show, press the OK button on the remote to start watching. And that's it. Now you know how to access Catch-Up TV and never miss your favorite shows. Enjoy watching.